Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and my awesome subscribers. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel and your amazing channel, Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, how are you all? Hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, this is our YouTube channel and we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today I am gonna show you some of the best and the latest designs of jacquard long maxi dresses for lovely women. My dear friends, these jacquard dresses, designs and looks are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, these dresses are only selected for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and my lovely fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends and my lovely viewers, I just want to request you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, there is a small red button. Yes, you got it right. The very subscribe button is always there for you to click. And if you are my subscriber, then I am expecting a like or comment from you. My dear friends, in this video, you will see the brilliant variety of jacquard dresses, long maxi dresses. And friends, these dresses styles are not only fits with your style and your budget, but also manage to represent everything that is special about your personality. So friends and my lovely viewers, don't forget to subscribe my channel and I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer any of your query as soon as possible. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Friends, love you all. This is your host Asad Shah.